Let me begin by acknowledging something important. Starting anything new, especially a YouTube automation channel, can be overwhelming. You may feel stuck right now, scrolling through content, watching others succeed, and endlessly researching the perfect niche. You're likely waiting for that magical moment of clarity before taking action. But here's the truth. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes as a result of it. The fear you're experiencing is not uncommon. In fact, it's the same fear that every successful creator has felt at the beginning of their journey. The difference is that they acted in spite of it. Too often, people believe that they need the perfect plan to begin. But success rarely comes from perfection. It comes from consistency and iteration. You may think you're being lazy, but what's really holding you back is fear. Fear of not being good enough. Fear of putting in effort with no guarantee of reward. Fear of failure. But let me ask you this. What happens if you don't try? What if you stay exactly where you are, consuming, doubting, analyzing, and never actually start building? A year from now, will you be proud of how much you researched? Or will you wish you had taken the leap, even imperfectly? YouTube automation is a business, and like any business, it requires movement. You already know the formula. Choose a niche, create scripts, generate voiceovers, produce engaging videos, and publish consistently. It's not a mystery. What matters now is execution. Your first few videos may not be perfect. In fact, they probably won't be. But they're essential. Each video you create brings you closer to understanding your audience, refining your craft, and building your momentum. Nothing replaces experience.